Hi guys and gals, it's me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man.
And Andrew Larry.
Yeah, the tablet man, phone man, and other kinds of man. He's the food giant man. And we finished off our roof today. We started to video and my camera memory card had a problem. We can see we have rake board all on. Got the roof finished off, and as you can see right there behind Mr. Andrew, we have a window installed. That's when the camera died on us, so we didn't get to see how we did it, but we still got 2 more windows to install, so we'll try to make a video of them. But we're making good progress, and with great help from my grandson. And some beautiful weather today. It's just in the upper 70s, low 80s.
Low 80s.
And the humidity's nice and low. It's just an absolutely gorgeous day here in Western Tennessee. So this is George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. And you know why I'm the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, because I got lots of shade trees here on Shady Acres, don't you know?
Yeah.
So,
See y'all later.
yep,
Bye.
what he said. Bye now. Well, we raised bantam chickens, and these bantam chicken eggs are small. They're about half the size. Takes about 2 of these to make a regular size egg. Then we've got one chicken, I think it's the same one, keeps laying these little tiny dinky ones. There's my thumb for comparison in size. You know? Oh, it's a joy.